Hi, I'm Troy. I'm the R&D manager for Cartell. Today I'd like to talk to you about the CW-SYS system. The benefits of the SYS over the CP4 is you no longer have to trench. It gets a 1,000-foot line of sight transmission range, and if you have a separate integrator, you can put it in repeater mode for even longer range. Let's take a closer look at how to wire the integrator to a gate board. This is a LiftMaster board. They're very popular out in the field. We have accessory power on this very bottom block, these two terminals here that we're going to use, and then the exit terminal block, these two right here, we're going to use. In our manual, we refer to this as dual terminal wiring. So I'm going to pull this terminal block off and this terminal block off to make wiring easier. So if you notice down here, you see SW on these top two pins and on the bottom two pins. We're going to want to wire the integrator to the bottom two pins because this is constant power. And then up here on the exit, these two pins do not have polarity, so it doesn't matter which wire goes where. For this, I'm using some old CP4 wire. So I got the blue here, the white here, the red down at the bottom on accessory power on, and then the black on accessory power on. And I've left enough slack so that I can put the integrator over here on the door. After we wire it to the gate, we're going to connect the other end of the wires to the integrator. We're going to do terminal 1 as the negative, terminal 2 as the positive. We're going to skip terminal 3, and then terminal 4 and terminal 5 are going to be our blue and the white in this case. When you first give the integrator power, you're going to hear that boot up beep. The blue blinking light is the standard operating mode. This is how you want it to be all the time in your gate. The SYS will come paired together. So once this wiring is finished, you can trigger the puck and you'll get 5 confirming beeps. This will close the relay connecting the blue wire to the white wire and trigger your gate. Your SYS will come paired from the factory, but if you need to pair an extra sensor, pairing is very simple. All you have to do is press and release the pair button on the integrator, and then press the red button in the puck. You'll see the light flash and hear 2 confirming beeps. You can mount the integrator in your gate box with the 2 screw holes provided. You can put double-side tape or Velcro on the back. Just be careful not to rest it on the pairing button because holding this button for too long will erase all the sensors out of memory. If your gate board is in a metal enclosure instead of plastic, we sell the CW-COA with the grommet on it to go through the metal box. All you do is take the antenna off the integrator, screw on the extension, and after drilling the hole for the grommet and cable to go through, then you screw the antenna to the outside of your box. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, go to cartell.com. That's CARTELL.com.